Greetings and salutations, YouTube. itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with, this is going to be kind of like an unboxing slash haul. I ordered a couple things recently online and everything has just been taking so long to ship. So I've been getting these things like a week and a half later. Some things sooner than others. I guess it depends really on where it's coming from and like other factors and all that stuff. So this is gonna be like some things I'm unboxing with you, some things I've already opened but I wanted to share with you guys because I'm really excited about them. And yeah, so first thing, let's start off with this Amazon package. Now I've never seen these before. This is a Nikon lens pen, and I know they have like off-brand ones that aren't Nikon, but they look exactly the same. I was reading the reviews, and they're like hit or miss, but all the Nikon ones I think are good. So this is, I guess it's you can clean all sorts of different lenses with it, and it has like a, I'm gonna actually open it with you guys right now. So So this thing is like carbon on the end of it, and it like absorbs any oils or anything and cleans. And then I think there's like a, how does it work? Oh yeah, there it is. And then the other side, right here, this is a brush. So you can like, so okay, like let's look at my my camera on my phone. I don't even know if it's showing up. I try to put some fingerprints on it, but you use this side to like remove any debris or anything on there, and then with this side, the carbon side, you clean off. Oh my gosh, that does a really good job. You clean off the glass, and again, this works on like camera lenses. I'm thinking this would also work like on eyeglasses, though I feel like eyeglasses would get a lot more like oil on them. But I don't know, I was thinking of getting this for like, or like trying it out on like mom's glasses because she's always like needing something to clean them. But this is really, really cool. I think it was less than 20 bucks. And usually, like, I use, like, lens wipes, but I feel like this would be so much better and so much more handy because I, like, always, like, need to make sure I have lens wipes, like, to clean my lenses and stuff. I'm actually going to try and clean this one right now. How cool is that? Oh, this actually needs a cleaning. And this, like, oh, this is super duper cool. Can you guys see me better now? Okay, that's super cool. Okay, anyway, that's this. I'll give you guys like a better review about it later on if you guys want. But this is super duper cool. You can throw it in your bag. And it's super convenient, I think. So, very excited about that. I'm going to have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, super cool. The next thing I have here, this, I already opened this, and I was about to give it to the kids already, but I'm actually going to wait till probably this weekend, or I think I might actually wait till my dad's birthday, because my dad's birthday is coming up, and we wanted to throw, like, just like, we're just going to have a party just with us, but I feel like this is something we do every weekend anyway, when everyone's, like, when everyone's here, like, we're going to have, like, a little pool party thing. I think this would be really fun to bring out to the kids. But this, like, I don't normally go out, like, especially recently, I haven't been going out really at all. And I really wanted to get the color changing cups from Starbucks. And these are always sold out here where I live. The day that I found out that these came out, I was like calling all the Starbucks that are local to where I live. No one had them. They sold out already. Da 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 da. So I scoured the internet, and this was the best deal that I could find. And I think I got, I don't even know how much these retailed for, but I think I got this for, I think it was like $35 with shipping. But you know what? I'm okay with it. I've made my peace with the price. I am sure I could have gotten it a lot cheaper if I was able to get it at the store, but that's just not something that's feasible right now. So the law of supply and demand, I coughed up the money for it, and I am excited. I think the kids are going to love it, and I know I'm already going to love it because I have been wanting these color changing cups since they came out last year. They also came out with hot cups, I believe, and yeah, so got this. There's one for each of the kids, and the yellow one's gonna be mine, and my sister and mom can use the other one, I guess. I don't know if they want to use like I know the peach one turns into pink, but it's pretty darn cool. Those are like the colors that they change into, so it's pretty cool. I tested one of them. It works really well. Let me know if you guys got your hands on these in your local town. I know like people have messaged me about this too because they like you guys have amazing memories and you guys are like, oh my gosh, Hadrian, the cups are out, da da da. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go check, and like, of course they didn't have any near me, but decided to get it online because that's what I do. The next thing I have here, I actually already opened it, but it's in... I had to show you guys this because this is amazing. Whoever packaged this did such an amazing job. And these, I actually got 2 of them. So these are the other color changing cups from Starbucks. And these have like the confetti that change color. So I got 2 of these, and I don't know, they're like super cool. Like they're white right now, but they change into like different colored confetti things. They even have like cool rainbow swirly straws, and they have blue lids. But whoever mailed this out did like such a phenomenal job. They did such a good job. This, when I got this, it came in like one of those like really thin plastic things. And it was like kind of squished at the top, but like none of it was damaged. So that was cool. But this person took very good care of packaging everything, so that's really nice. I got these 2 cups. They were like $14, so that was like, again, a little pricey. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. This is the last time I'm ever gonna order color changing cups because I'm gonna have them and I'm gonna cherish them forever. So again, let me know. How did you guys get these color changing cups? Very cool. I know they came out with those like crystal-y cups again as well, and they're really, really pretty. But I was like, you know what? I already have like my iridescent one, and I really wanted the color changing ones. So I'm very excited to get them, get my little hands on them. I keep saying stop it, Adrian, stop it. Okay, so that's that. Okay, what else was I gonna show you guys? Oh, okay. Then this is the one last thing that I have. I kind of cheated already because I also opened it already because I wanted to give feedback to the seller. This one is a little bit of a roller coaster because I have been wanting this thing for a while. I have been scouring the internet for, I think, literally years to find one. And I found one at a good price online. And this is a particular model of this that I have been looking for because I wanted to do something specific with it, and it needed to be this model. And Kenny, if you are watching, you already know what it is because I'm calling your name out in this video. But if you guys know who Kenny is on YouTube and Instagram, he's awesome. And he recently unboxed one of these a few weeks ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, Kenny, like I've been wanting one of those forever, da da da. And now I got my very own. So here it is. It came in a really cute little Loewe desk bag. And you guys know, if you guys have watched my videos in the past, how obsessed I am with Loewe. I have so many Loewe pieces. But here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Again, I already saw this, but it's so cute. So this is a little Loewe elephant coin purse, and I believe it's like the punk rock or something collection of it. But he has a little tail, which is adorable, and then he has the little metal Loewe logo right there. He has like the one eye thing right there. The other one is just like a regular one, but on this side of the ear, he has 2 little hoop earrings. And then he is very punk rock with the little chain that attaches to his nose. But it's so gosh darn cute. Loewe, made in Spain. The little serial number thing is on the inside, which was like really hard to find. I was like looking for it. I was like, oh my gosh, does it not have one? But if you guys ever get one of these, it's actually right at the very bottom. Like, it's going to be impossible to show you guys because it doesn't open all the way. But it's right there at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see like the little shadow of it, but the number is like on the bottom where this is, like on the other side, reversed. But this is so gosh darn cute. I want to use it kind of like a crossbody, and I'm going to attach a... Like, okay, so I can attach a chain to it on right here or right here, and like it'll be a crossbody, or I can actually attach it to one of these little ear things. I don't know if it's gonna add like too much strain on the ear, so I might just keep it like this. Though it will have to be open, but then when you're wearing it, like nothing's really gonna fall out too much. But this is so cute. I want to wear it as a crossbody bag, or just as a little thing, like I can attach it to my belt loop, just hold it in my hand. I can attach it to a bag. So this really is a super duper versatile piece. So you can use it as a coin pouch. You can use it as a crossbody bag if you attach a crossbody strap to it. And you can use it as a bag charm or like a key charm. So there's lots of different things. You can put change in here. You can put your AirPods in here as well, which would be super duper cute to hold AirPods, your keys again. So this is just like a really versatile piece, and I love it because this is the one that has a little chain, that has the little little key attachment thing, because not all of them have this, which is why I was looking for this specifically. I believe all of the like the punk rock ones do have this little attachment. Then there are the regular ones that don't have like the chain and the little ear piercings, and those are normally just as is with just the zipper, and they don't have any attachments to it. So I thought this was really cool because it had that feature, and I have been looking for this particular piece for a while, and it's black, which I really like because sometimes like things that are small like this that you like are always holding in your hand, or tend to rub against your bag or whatever, can discolor. Like I have my little Balenciaga keychain bag, and it's super duper cute, but that one I'm like so scared to use it too much because it's like the corners have started to lighten up a little bit, and I'm just like, no, I don't want anything to happen to it. So but this is just a black little elephant, and if anything happens, he's really easy to like fix up because he's black and you just need a little black touch-up dye. But he is so super cute. So there he is in all his little, oh, let me show you guys this guy out there. In all his little, like he wanted to say steampunk, but he's like punk rock, elephant, Loewe charm. So cute. I actually want to start a little collection of these. They have so many different animals. There's the elephant, there's a bunny, there's a mouse, there's a bear, and there's a panda. And I know they recently came out with a whale, and I think there's also a shark. So if anyone else has any of these little guys, let me know. So we can all be part of the little Loewe charm gang or something. I don't know. Start like a little club online. But this is so cute. I'm so happy. This is so exciting. So adorable. But there's that guy. I'll show you him like on a bag or something, or how I use him in another video. But that's at the end for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I miss thrifting so much. I have just been like buying random stuff online, and they are finally starting to come in. If you guys have watched my previous unboxings, I went a little crazy with these Chanel wallets, and pretty much Chanel in general, like anything like cheap, like at a great price that I can get, like I tried to get it. So I'm gonna have those videos linked, and right now I've just been like kind of going crazy with home decor stuff. So some of those videos have already gone up as well, which I'll also have linked for you guys to check out. And then I have a few more pieces coming in. I also am doing some room decor changes in various places in the house, so those videos are also going to be coming up very soon, especially once my items come in the mail. It's just so, like, waiting for them is just like killing me. But what's cool though about being, like, as if there's anything cool about being in quarantine, but the interesting thing about having to stay at home and not going out to thrift stores is that I can look for items that I want specifically and try and find them online at great prices. Because when you go thrifting, you can't be like, oh, I really hope I find a green Starbucks cup like this that changes color. Like, you're not going to be able to, you're probably honestly not going to find one. And you kind of have, when you go out thrifting, you kind of just have to accept what the thrift gives you. Whereas when you're at home and you're looking online for deals, you can be very, very specific. So I thought that was very cool. Hope you guys think so too. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 for a new video. Until then, I bid you all adieu. Bye!